In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix account access on this device on Worldcoin app. So in order to actually fix this particular error on your Worldcoin, what you can do is you first need to head over and open your application. So you need to log in to the existing account that has that verified account. So do take note that the World app only allows one verified account per device to provide or to prevent multiple accounts. If you see that particular error, it means an account is already linked to your device. So for that, just proceed to log in by going over to your World ID, then click on this gear icon, and then proceed to log out first and then sign in into your actual World app. Now, just select the login option instead of sign up from there. You can also have the option to restore your account. You will need the phone number linked to your World app account and a backup stored on your Google Drive or iCloud. To restore, open the World app and tap on login and then follow the prompts to restore your account using your phone number and backup. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.